Hi friends, my name is Allie Lawrence. Welcome to 8-Minute Abdominals for Beginners. This class is great for anyone who isn't sure where to start when it comes to strengthening the core. I offer extra cues and modifications throughout this session. All you'll need is yourself and your mat. If you have any sensitivity at the tailbone or at the knees, please grab a cushion or a blanket to place on the mat. When you're ready, let's go ahead and get started on our forearms, belly down on the mat. Work your way to the top of the mat, fingertips reaching for the edge, hands down, shoulders over elbows, nicely stacked. And bring your feet together, your knees side by side. Inhale, bring your hips up. Now you may be here, either way. If you follow the breathing cues, you're gonna get the benefit. You can work your way to dropping your hips down between your shoulders and your knees. Otherwise, if you're here, that's okay. This is a beginner's class. You can work with this. When the timer says to work, we're gonna inhale, drop our hips to one side, exhale, hug the belly in, lift the hips, then move over to the other side. Inhaling down, exhale, squeeze the belly as you exhale. Inhale down, exhale, lift. Inhale down, exhale, lift. Staying lifted in the shoulders. So you're pressing your forearms, your elbows away from the floor to help stay lifted. Inhaling down, exhale up. Inhale down, exhale up. So side to side. All right, you got this. Let's get started. Okay, get ready. Inhale down, exhale, lift. Moving side to side, staying lifted in the shoulders. The breathing cues are key here. Strengthening the core, the shoulders as we go. So we're moving for 30-second intervals, then we take a break for 10.
Rest.
Take a rest, bring your chin down, and come back up. Curl the toes, lift the hips side to side. Inhaling down, exhale, lift. We're doing 4 exercises, 4 times each for 30-second intervals, 10-second rest in between. This is our second time, so we'll have 2 more times after this one.
Rest.
Go ahead and come all the way down, chin on the mat. Take a full rest break, breathing into the belly. And come back up. Elbows under shoulders, moving side to side. Softening where you can soften. Engaging a little more where you can engage. And rest all the way down. Breathe into your belly. It's our last round for this exercise. Elbows under shoulders. Work it right to left. Coming back to the breath. Inhale down, exhale up. If you need to slow it down, slow it down. Just keep the breath and body connected. Exhaling up. Take a breath into your belly, go ahead and turn around, bring your bottom down. You're gonna lay on your back this time. You're going to inhale, keep your feet together, toes flex, reach for your feet, shoulders off the mat. You're just doing these pulses now, exhaling up. Trying to keep shoulders off the mat, but meet yourself where you're at. If they're only coming off halfway, that's okay. This is a beginner's class. And 3 more seconds. And lower down. Breathe into your belly. And exhale, we come up. Let's go. Exhaling up each time. Make sure your tailbone is tucked under so your hips are slightly lifting up. You can bring your hands under your neck if you need to, and rest. Let it go. Breathe into your belly. Nice big breath. Exhale, we go up. We're here for 5, 3, and rest. Nicely done. Breathe into your belly here. And we go up. Exhale. So for a beginner's class, we're usually just focusing on starting to get the muscles engaged. So they're gonna feel a little sore at first, but you'll gain the strength quick. And in time, you'll be able to do this with less pain. And let go. Breathe into your belly. This is our last round. Gonna give it everything you got. Exhale, lift your shoulders. Tailbone stays lifted, tucked up. You're more than halfway there. 8 seconds. 4 seconds. Exhaling up. And let go. Breathe into your belly. Then you're gonna sit up nice and tall. Bring your feet in. Keep your back straight. Bring your hands together. Interlace. Release your index finger and move side to side. Exhaling down, inhaling up. Stay lifted in the chest. You can suction your feet back for a little more support. Rest. And take a rest. Breathe into your belly. Breathe into your belly. Nice big breaths, expanding the abdominal wall. Exhale, sit back. Inhale, lower hands down. Exhale, lift up. Staying lifted in the chest. Squeezing the belly in on the lift. If you need to slow it down, but connect with your breath. Squeeze the belly in on the way up, exhaling. Get ready to break. Sit up, breathe. Whatever you need to do to rest, just keep expanding that abdominal wall as you inhale. And let's go. Sit back, inhale down, exhale, squeeze the belly in. Maybe you go in for a little more twist, touching the index finger to the floor. If you need to slow down to coordinate your breath, so you can exhale and squeeze the belly in on the way down, go ahead and do that. The breath connection is key here. Rest. And rest. Sit up nice and tall. You can straighten your legs if you need to. You've got 5 seconds. And slide your legs in, feet and knees together. Sit back, inhale down. Exhaling up. If you focus on the exhale, your body will passively take the breath in on the inhale. Lifting through the chest. You can always extend your feet if you need to. Just try to stay here. Slowing down if you need to. Staying in.
Rest.
And rest. Coming onto our backs for our last one. Legs up, feet together. Lifting up through the hips on the exhale for a reverse crunch. Lifting up as high as you can and lowering down slowly. Again, if you focus on the exhale, you can passively take in the inhale. And rest. Breathing into your belly, filling up the abdominal wall. And get ready, legs up, feet together.
Work.
Lift. Exhale, lift. Lowering down slowly. And you don't need to breathe as loud as I was. My microphone is right on my chest. You can let the breath down, out slowly.
Rest.
And lower your legs down. Just got 2 more rounds here. Lift the legs up, squeeze them together. Exhale, lift.
Rest.
And lower your legs on down. Take a breath into your belly. For our last round together, we're gonna lift the legs, lift the shoulders off the mat. Meet yourself where you're at. If you need to keep them lowered, that's okay. Still doing the reverse crunch, just with lifted shoulders. Trying to lower down as slowly as you can for this last round, even if you're going a little bit slower.
Rest.
And rest. Take a moment here, breathe into your belly. Feel the expansion. You did such good work showing up here today. On your way to stronger core, stronger back. And when you're ready, go and roll onto your side. Use your upper hand to press yourself up back into a comfortable seated position. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you enjoyed this class as much as I did. I hope to see you again soon.